into the studio for an inside look at our newest training series featuring Python for programmers. Here with me is Ammon Weezy, Director of Courseware Development for LearnSmart. Welcome, Ammon.
Thank you.
So you might be asking yourselves, Python, what is it? Is this a good language to learn and put in my programming toolbox? Well, Ammon, can you please help define for our students what the training series is about, and why is it a must-have for today's up-and-coming programmers?
Absolutely, Laura, and I want to thank you for inviting me in, Laura. This training series is perfect for beginning and established programmers alike. Like all LearnSmart training, we always start at the beginning to give new students who've never worked with programming languages before a chance to completely understand the basics. Now, the basics provide a strong foundational understanding of the key principles of object-oriented programming, so that as we move through the other topics in the series, the student can then follow along and feel confident as the topics become more complex.
Okay, so does that mean there is an order in which the student needs to progress through the series, meaning course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on?
You know, that's a great question, and one that many students often have, so I'm glad you brought it up. The answer is no. This series is designed to be topic-based as opposed to level, so that every course in the series is designed to really stand on its own. So if you want to start at the last course, you can. If you want to start in the middle, you can. There's really no predetermined chronological order in which these modules should be reviewed. Now, we did that on purpose because we want students to be able to use these tools not just as an A through Z training, but more like a desk reference in which they can keep coming back to time and time again as they go through their programming lives. At least that's our goal.
Interesting. Okay, so take us inside. What are we going to be learning in this course?
Well, like I mentioned previously, we're going to begin with the basics. So we have a number of modules that provide an overview or introduction to Python and how to develop, set up, and deploy Python modules. We have a course on data types, data structures. We have a course which discusses the process of controlling flow, courses on importing modules, I/O handling, error handling, and testing and debugging. We have courses that talks about standard libraries and built-in functions. A course on runtime language services. A course on database access, which really is an awesome course. As you get working with Python, you quickly learn how powerful Python is when working and connecting with the databases. So, do you want me to continue?
Oh, absolutely, yes.
All right, so here we go. Well, there's a course on file and directory handling, thread and concurrency, OS or operating system services, network programming, internet protocols and data handling, web programming, markup processing, understanding the various Python frameworks, performance tuning your code, and extending and embedding code. I think that's all of them.
Wow, that sounds really comprehensive.
You know, it is. I mean, I hope it is. So we really worked hard partnering with numerous industry experts to put together what we feel is the most comprehensive Python for programmers training series on the market. Now, our presenters are top-notch, and our production team have really outdone themselves, illustrating the concepts in a clear and concise manner, and in a manner in which we feel will make the content very easy to learn, retain, and then pull from as you transition from a learner to a practitioner.
Wow. Okay. Well, guys, there you have it. A look inside our newest programming and development training series. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your continued learning endeavors. And Ammon, thank you so much for the introduction to Python.
You're welcome. My pleasure.